Hey there, it's Pawel Marcinowski of Rovi Homes. We're here at 9 Jolly Road in Ellington, Connecticut, which is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath colonial. Come check it out. Awesome, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this home. Come check it out. If you have any questions about this home or any other property, just call the number below. Take care.